is going on, guys? It is Casey from KDL Auto, and today we are bringing a banger video. Today we are going to be paint matching my Chevy Avalanche logos. I've been wanting to do this ever since I got the truck because I love the paint match look. And this dude is dripped out totally in my fit. As you guys can see, that's why he looks so fly. And I got myself a heat gun finally. I have not had a heat gun wrapping all this stuff over the years, and I figured it was time. So I just picked up some heat gun off of Amazon. I'm gonna unbox this right now. Let's see how this heat gun works. And I also got, this is a whole wrapping thing off of Amazon that I got. Has every single tool you could possibly need. We got tuckers, obviously, just for applying the wrap. So let's open up the heat gun, the wrap, and obviously first I want to clean the logo because you want a good surface for this to stick to. I also want to go grab my tripod real quick because I do have my friend here, but he's a jackass and won't help film. The poor Pontiac, I don't know when the last time is that I've driven this thing, but it's literally not even unlocking. There we go, it's been so long. And yeah, I think the tripod is in this car. That's the last time I used it. Bingo. Don't mind the trunk. A little messy in there. But it is a beautiful day. It is like February 10th or some shit like that. And it is beautiful out here. It's like 50 degrees. So it's a good day today. So I'm going to set up the tripod. I want to do the back first. And then I'm going to pull the truck out and do the front. First, obviously, I want to clean the logo. So I'm gonna get some interior cleaner out real quick. Take this. Now we're gonna clean all inside of there. Go around all the edges. All right, guys. Let's open up the vinyl. Took the wrap off. I actually wanted to do it outside. I think it looks a lot better out and it's a lot warmer. So let's cut this again. Make sure we don't do the mark. I don't know. This is the Vivid vinyl wrap, but for some reason, I'm seeing a little mark there. So we got to be very careful. Don't know where these came from. I'm assuming the way they packaged it. That seems like a Vivid thing to do, although I use a lot of their film. Sometimes they're just kind of careless with that, but you know, it is what it is, guys. It is what it is, my brother. The piece on, now we're gonna use the heat gun, and you guys will watch the magic of the heat gun. I won't even need to touch it. The heat gun does all the work.
I wanna see this work happen.
Yeah, bro. Most of it form-fitting now. I'm going to take my X-Acto knife and very carefully go along inside the edges because I still want to show the silver outline. I think it's going to look really good. And it might look like it right now that it doesn't really match the paint too well, but this is actually the color code. It's just not in the sun, so it doesn't really look like it at the moment. But once it's in the sun, you guys will see it is the exact replica, just in matte. One more to do right here. I cut out all the other. I went very slow and I took my time. Probably took me about 5 minutes just to do this. I'm being very patient with this because I don't know how forgiving this is if I go too much. So I'm being very cautious when I'm doing this. I think it's time to peel it off.
Let's do it, bro. Let's do it.
You guys ready?
Hell yeah!
All right, guys, this is the moment of truth. I am very nervous to pull this off.
Just rip it off,
I
dude.
think it's ready to go. We're obviously gonna go very slow. So I just hope I got all the edges that I wanted. Oh. We already didn't get that edge. We have to make sure we get all the edges here.
Oh my god, you're scaring me, dude. You're scaring me. Oh, wow. Oh!
It is fully on. It looks so good. And now we're gonna move to the front. Not sure how this one will go, but obviously we're gonna move everything over here. Pretty much the same. I think it's just a little more bent, so we'll see how it goes.
Dude, you should
super hyped.
Enjoying this.
First step to clean. Don't need too much product on there. take the clean part of our rag, make sure we get all in here, all around here, anywhere that the wrap is gonna stick. A little tucker tool like this, put it in the rag, clean all inside of there.
Probably like 300 bucks to paint match. And I think it would be so worth it.
Well, this is great, man. I love that I'm gonna have to put this in the video, you being a weirdo. All right. Jeez Louise, bud. I can't tell if I'm with a 5th grader or a guy who drives a truck. I can't tell. Off.
Wait, do you have that ace?
Alright guys, finally got both the logos done, and halfway through I actually bought some extra film just in case I was so bad at this. And this dude had a great idea to do a banner, and it came out so much better than I even think the logos did. It looks so good, and don't mind the bird diarrhea. It came out literally so perfect. Could not be more happy with the front. Obviously, let's go look at the back, and then we'll take a look at the windshield banner, because boy, did this project turn out really good. I mean, look at this. It looks so good.
Oh.
And like I was saying before, he actually had a Ford Focus that he wrapped fully with no heat gun. I mean, that is impressive, guys. Because I'm not sure I could have done this without a heat gun. I definitely would recommend, if you guys want to do this project, to get a heat gun. It would definitely be beneficial. We didn't need the heat gun up here, and don't mind that clown. But we didn't need the heat gun up here, but it came out so good.
Heat gun is a professional.
There's a professional right there.
I'm going.
This is what it looks like from the inside. It looks so good. And then over here we have the rust bucket. Obviously this is Bougie Nate's rust bucket. This thing has been through it. Why don't we, huh?
Look under the frame.
Look under the frame?
Look under the frame.
He got in a little argument with a friend on the phone and put this nice little dent in it.
I did not.
Don't know why he did that today.
I did not do that.
But this dude is always breaking stuff.
This right here, the only rust you can really see. Okay, but look under here. Spotless, bro. Spotless for an 08, bro.
Not half shabby. Did you use spray paint?
Nope.
So that's just how it was?
That's how it was, bro.
I like that. I like that.
Look at these 20s by 12s with some Nitto fucking Toyo tires.
He does have some pretty meaty tires. I'll give him that. I really want some meatballs like this, bro. Because that just goes hard.
Hey,
that just goes hard.
And then we got the King Ranch. Final touch. Badass truck. Yeah, do burnouts and shit. Slushy trend. You ready? Slushy trend.
Oh. What is wrong with this kid, bro?
Slushy trend, baby.
This really is a strange guy. And that is deuces on this video, and we will see y'all in the next one. Peace out, little gangsters. So I have been running off of my school laptop. Sorry, I got a lot of crap here. Let's get this out of the way. Off of this for editing for about, I think it's been like 6 or 7 years. Ever since I started YouTube, a little dinged up. And the battery life on this thing is absolute crap. I don't even know what year this thing is. I think it'll actually tell us if we look. Does it say? Guess it doesn't say. Since we're gonna be shooting in 4K, I want something with some actual juice to back up the edits that I'm doing, because every time I edit footage off of this thing, dude, it's insane how horse crap it is. In this video on this right now. So I'm gonna set up the camera and look at this dude, fully asleep. I just got home from work. Let's just pop this sucker open. I think it is well deserved. Music that I put in the background, I pop onto this thing. And yeah, definitely recommended. And it's also a USB-C now, since these MacBooks are all USB-C. I think it goes like this. Yeah, this very, very good packaging. Wow, holy crud. That is sweet. Look at that. Whew, that is pretty sweet.